Sitting up in my tree, I'm the cool koala. So cool. Life is easy breezy, 'cause I'm the cool koala. How you doing? Good day, mate. I'm the koala, and man, I'm great. Where to find me, I hear you wonder. Australia, the land down under. Spoon-shaped nose, fluffy ears, a thick fur cushion on my rear. 2 thumbs on my paws give me better grip. I got fingerprints on each fingertip. Don't really drink water, I chew leaves. Eucalyptus trees give me all I need. I live, eat, and sleep up there. Koalas are cute, but we're not a bear. Sitting up in my tree, I'm the cool koala. So cool. Life is easy breezy, 'cause I'm the cool koala.
The koala is a marsupial.
Let me fill you in, it's so cool. Got a pouch so I can carry safely my precious little koala baby. Called a Joey, cutest thing on earth. Looks like a jelly bean at birth. 2 centimeters long without any hair. Spends 6 months all cozy in there. Stays with mom 6 months more. Then off on their own they go explore. You see how cool a koala can be? Living up in eucalyptus trees. Sitting up in my tree, I'm the cool koala. So cool. Life is easy breezy, 'cause I'm the cool koala.